So today we will talk about the Ease Banking Reform Index. As you know, actually recently our finance minister actually launched the Ease 4 Index, which is the index for the clean and smart banking in the public sector bank. So now we will discuss in this video about the Ease Banking Reform. And each 1, 2, 3, 4 we will discuss at whole, and what is the main aim, what is the index is all about. So now we will discuss. So firstly, the EASE is the name, is Banking Reform Index. So as you know, this reform is related to the banking as clearly written here. So full form of EASE is Enhanced Access and Service Excellence Reform Agenda, is the full form of it. So this is launched in January 2018 jointly by the government and public sector banks of India. So this is very important. And what is the main aim? Main aim is the clean. Clean is the acronym, and smart banking. Clean and smart banking. Smart banking in terms of the financial inclusion, digitizations, more and more enhanced service delivery. Clean in the sense it would be NPA free. So that is what do you mean by the clean. So if you talk about the clean is the acronym, clean means clean credit, leveraging data, ensuring accountability, action against defaulter. As you know, there are the NPA defaulters and who run away from the country, or either they don't pay loan of the bank. So that is the action. And NPA recovery is the main aim of this clean and smart banking. Smart, if you talk about the speedy, multi-channel reach either within the area or through the mobile internet banking, whatever is the sources, there should be a bank leverage, bank access to the customer. Another is the accessible and affordable and responsive and technologically enhanced banking is the main aim. So main aim of the Ease Banking Reform Index is the clean and smart bank. So after that, what happened that this is one, as I have told you what is the full form, this is launched in 2018, as you know, January 2018, and this showed the improvement in the NPA recovery. So after the subsequent, there is a subsequent took place, and the Ease 2 was launched in 2019, as I have here 2019, and built on the Ease 1. So there, after the huge success of the Ease 1, that there is a Ease 2, and introduced these six new themes, and after that what happened that there is a assessment took place. So this is the assessment which I have told you. So firstly is the responsible banking, in which what happened actually the Bank of Baroda after the assessment actually topped the Bank of Baroda and State Bank of India. So what is the responsive banking? If you took out of the 100, then 49.9 earlier, almost 50, you can say that increased to almost 70. And if you talk about the another theme, then the customer responsive means the actually what kind of bank and service you are providing, which is most customer centric. So 52.1 to 64.1. And another is the credit offtake, means how easily actually the people or sectors are getting credit from the bank and how much bank is unable to provide credit. So 43.4 to 59. Another is the public sector banks as Udyami Mitra, means public sector bank, actually public sector is banking is acting as a friend or not. So this is here 42.9, almost 43 to 59. And here is the financial inclusion. As you know, there are the many schemes actually. Jan Dhan Yojana, one of the famous scheme for the financial inclusion, 55.2 to 70.2, and governance and human resource 52.60. So after the assessment is also took place, and now the what happened that around the 30 regional sectors and NPA recovery and Bank of Baroda and almost all the banks of the public sector, almost the 17 bank right now so the improvement in some area, and this is the index used by. After that what happened, the Ease 3 is launched. After the assessment what happened, the 140% increase in the banking transaction through the mobile and internet banking will take place after the assessment, and 23 crore RuPay credit card actually issued. And as you know, there is a RuPay which is actually Indian card, and not Visa and other, actually the not is the Indian card, but the RuPay is the Indian card were issued. After that, the Ease 3 was launched in 2020, and what is the main theme? Basically enhance the ease of banking in all customer experience, using the technology. As you know, more and more technologically used, and mobile and internet penetration actually trying to increase by the government of India. Subsequently, recently around the 2 days ago, huge 4 was launched. And what is the main theme? Tech enabled collaborative banking and simplified and customer centric banking should be takes place. And what is the main aim? Main aim is to provide the 24/7 banking services, either through the technology physically or whatever is possible. Another is the deeper penetration through the mobile and internet banking is another, and focus on the northeast. As you know, east is actually the isolated from whole of the India, and not internet and even not banking sector and government scheme actually not going to the east area. So that is the focus on the northeast. And co-lending means not only bank will provide, but with the collaboration with the many like the non-banking financial services, etc. And there are the any of the other which is able to like Reliance, and with the collaboration with the any of the bank like the HDFC, ICICI or any of the bank, Reliance has the power to lend through the actually the bank. So this is what do you mean by the co-lending. So co-lending with others is also now possible, and which will be more accessible to the customer and especially the people. So this is all about the EASE banking reform index. So this you need to remember that EASE is related to the banking reform, and the main aim is the clean and the smart banking, and this is launched in January 2018. So this is all about the EASE banking reform index. Thank you guys. Hope you like this video. You should subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.